Good evening, everybody. Myself, Acharya Vishvendra, and today I shall be discussing some problems on Jurins law. So let's begin. So the first thing is what Jurins law is. So Jurins law is about the height of the liquid which ascend in a capillary tube and it is put in a container. So suppose this is a container, and in the container we put a capillary, and water rises or the liquid rises through height h. So Jurin's formula related to this is h is equals to 2t cos theta by dgr. If you draw the graph between h and t, that will be a straight line. Then graph between h and theta will be a cosine curve. The graph between h and d will be a rectangular hyperbola, whereas for h and 1 by d will be a straight line. H and r will be a rectangular hyperbola. H1 by r is a straight line. H proportional to 1 by g, again a rectangular hyperbola. And for h and g effective, the graph will also be a rectangular hyperbola. So in this way there are certain applications of Jurins law in which you can solve questions easily, and I have discussed some of the graphical variations of the height of ascent of the liquid. Ultimately, now the next question is, what is effect on H if temperature is increased? So on increasing temperature, surface tension decreases, so height will decrease. Next is, what is effect on H if temperature is decreased? So if temperature decreases, surface tension will increase, so height will increase. Next is, what is effect on H if a detergent is mixed in liquid? So detergent reduces the surface tension, so surface tension will reduce, and hence as an impact of that, height will also reduce. Next is, if entire setup is placed in a lift, what is effect on H? So in case of lift, just replace G by G factor. So there will be a certain change in the expression for height, and we have to replace G by G factor to solve the question. Then is, if a system is placed in artificial satellite or freely falling lift, what is effect on H? So for artificial satellite and freely falling lift, G effective is 0. So height tends to infinity theoretically, but practically it will cover the full length. And next is, if system is placed in vertically moving lift, what is effect on H? So just substitute G by G effective to solve further. Thank you and have a nice day.